Hello. Today, I'm going to talk about the difference between feelings and emotions. I know you've heard me say that the root cause of most of our body discomforts are feelings and emotions. But what are they? And are they the same or different? The differences may seem small, but they are significant. As you know, the body has various sensory perceptions, the five principal ones being taste, touch, sight, hearing, and smell. While we are mostly familiar with these five senses, there are probably others as well. So, under feeling, we can categorize sensory stimuli closely associated with the body, such as touch on the skin, sense of temperature and humidity, humor and playfulness, hunger and thirst, pain, pleasure, danger, awareness of pressure and vibration, relaxation and sleepiness, time sense, intuition. So, what is emotion? An emotion is a feeling that makes its presence known through a need, desire, or tendency to express it, whether by laughing, crying, shouting, jumping, gesturing, fighting, fleeing, hugging, kissing. As you can see, emotion is a feeling in motion within your body. You are familiar with these emotions: anger, rage, worry, fear, happiness, regret, surprise, joy, thankfulness, hope, pride, and many others out there. We have a lot of emotions out there. And if you don't work on what is causing the emotion, you store it. What is causing the emotion? You store it in your body. For example, liver gets the anger, kidneys get the worry, and so on. And eventually we have pain, or the emotion weakens the body part so much that we need external help. And every time I talk about a feeling emotion or a feeling emotion that is causing the pain, this is what I'm talking about. We lodge that emotion, that feeling in the body, an organ, a body part, and then until we work it out, stays there and it causes pain. Have a good day. Hello. Today, I'm going to